Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, not the fourth puzzle. The second puzzle with 4 stars. Yes, in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 27th, 2022, and in this additional we have 9 puzzles. Additional, yes, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. Kilo Sudoku, binary puzzle number 1 and binary puzzle number 2. 9 extra puzzles. All those PDF files, go below and look for the link for the PDF files. Yeah, all of these puzzles I have a PDF link, but only 5 of them I will solve. So the second one is a 4 stars Sudoku number 4039. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Okay. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 1 3, 2 sevens. No, 1 3, 3 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. Well, it's divided, so all right. So let's get started. Let me see. This one should be a hard one. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 6. 8. 9. Interesting. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. This box can also not be an 8. We have an 8 over there. So 1 box left for the 8 in this column should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. All right. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be here. Okay. Then, let me see. 1. No. 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1, oh, I eat 6, 6. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let me think. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 1. Well, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Cannot continue with 1. Let me see. Which numbers shall I pick? 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, and look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for the number 2. Right. Okay. 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. All right, 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. All right. 3 and a 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. Well, we have a 3 and a 4 in this big square. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3 and a 4. And the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Yeah. 4, 4. Well, yeah. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay, do we have all the 6s? Yeah, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Let me see. 2 numbers left here. Yeah. Those, no. Yeah, 2 numbers left. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Okay, 9. 7. 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. No. No. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Okay. 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well, we have a 5, double 5 here in this column, the middle column. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 2. Okay, 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we already have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2, and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, now 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be the 4. Finish in 15 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? 15. This cannot be a 4 stars. Is this a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Before I go, these middle boxes, I'm interested. Let me mark those. I'm analyzing those numbers. Who knows, maybe I see a pattern. So we have here 289, 751, and 675. 675. So here we have 1 pair, 2 pairs, yes, 7, 7. All right, thank you for watching. See you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.